So today you're gonna need pencil, a paper, and also some colored pencils. Alrighty, let's get started. So first what you're gonna do is gonna draw a circle. It doesn't have to be a perfect circle, but kind of spherical, yes. So like this. Do your best. It doesn't have to be perfect. Then you're gonna draw 2 more circles. Alright, like this. And then you're gonna draw 2 more little circles on the inside. On both sides. Like this. Alright, so next step you're gonna do is gonna draw lines under the circles to shape like a half moon, not a half moon, but like a crescent moon. Then we're gonna be drawing lines on it. Like this. Now, the next thing we're gonna draw are squiggly little splotches, if you can say. I'm gonna do at least like 5 of them on the side, maybe 6 or 7. Like this. See? And the next thing we're gonna do is draw a mouth. And now we're going to draw arms. They kind of look like rings around, you know, like Saturn has rings. It kind of looks like that. But except they're going to be arms. And we're going to make little fingers at the end. Kind of in the shape of a heart. And you'll see at the end what it looks like. Then don't forget the eyebrows. Now we're going to draw stuff on the side. First thing is a moon. So make a little crescent on the side, like this. And then we're going to be making stars. And if you can't do the regulars or the stars that I did the first time, then you can do those type of stars. Whichever one is easiest for you, you can always make it look good at the end. Next, we're going to be making clouds, like this. And we're going to make another one on the other side. Alright, now that we're done with the drawing, now we're going to add some color. So grab your color pencils. Let's get started coloring. First we're gonna grab green. So we got light green, and we also have dark green. So you can pick which green you want to use. I'm gonna use the dark green one because I think it looks better. And if you haven't realized yet, we're drawing a globe. Now with the green, I'm going to outline all the sides. Now you don't have to outline all of them, you can just color it in. But what I like to do is I always like to outline it before I get to the coloring in part. Now that we're done outlining, we can get into coloring. Don't mind all the colored pencils that just on the floor. Anyways, now we're done with the dark green. Now we can move on to blue. So grab the blues, light blue and dark blue. I'm gonna use the dark blue again because I think it would look better. But you can do light blue if you want to. But first, I'm actually going to do black. Do the outlining of the eyeballs. Yes, they're going to be eyeballs. And now we're going to color it in on both sides. Then, once we're done with that, we're going to outline the bottom of the eye like this, and then we're going to do the other side. And like this. Now I'm going to use the green color pen, the light green, to color it in. Now I'm going to use the black colored pencil again, and we're going to do more outlining. The eyebrows, the mouth, and the arms. The arms aren't going to be perfect. Like for me, it's kind of lopsided. So you just keep adding it till you like how it looks. Then once we're done with that, we're going to move on to the dark blue. Once again, we have dark and light blue. I'm using the dark blue because I think it would look nicer. Once again, I'm going to start off with outlining, because I always like to outline my stuff. That's just how I was taught to color. I just always outlined it. Then I outline the arms, pretty much everything, circles, eyeballs, like this. And then we'll get to color it in. And then they will turn out like this. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to color in the eyeballs more. I want them a darker color. And when that's done, it looks like this. Now we're going to move on to the side ones. The stars, the moon, and the clouds. For those stars, you can just do the outline and boom, it looks like a regular star. You didn't even know that you cheated. Now we're gonna color them in. First we start with the yellow for the stars. And then we're gonna use the light blue for the other ones. And then I'm gonna add a little bit of stuff on the arms. But this is what it looks like at the end of it. Good job, guys, we did it. Now the last step to do is sign your name and write the date. And then, boom, you're done. Your masterpiece. The globe, the earth, cartoon character. Alright, I want you guys to tag me in your post. I can't wait to see the drawings. See you guys later.